Hello everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to view my capstone video presentation today. The title of my capstone is Extra Math in the Classroom. My name is Sandy Gamino Davis and I currently work in Cobb County Schools as an ESOL teacher. In the past, I've held roles as a general education teacher. I did about 3 years of special education and 2 years of dual language immersion. And this is my first year as an ESOL teacher, and my whole career I've had the honor to teach in elementary schools. So I'm also graduating from my instructional design and technology program from KSU later this month. I do plan to continue to stay in the classroom, but I would like to also think about and maybe transition in about 2 years, in about a few years, to the academic coaching realm. Throughout my career, I've had noticed a particular high need when it comes to the 4th and 5th grade math. I have seen the number of students increase throughout the years that lack fact fluency. Students are entering 4th and 5th grade without a solid foundation in this area. Students are not fluent and do not know their math facts, and then are required to learn 4th and 5th grade math on top of them learning their facts. This tends to lead to students juggling learning 2 skills at the same time. This capstone focused on the integration of a tool that teachers can integrate into their daily teaching before 4th grade that reinforces fact fluency, so students are a little bit more prepared when entering 4th grade. I propose to create a collaborative teaching platform that will provide teachers with trainings and learning opportunities on how to integrate extra math into their everyday teaching. Extra Math is a computer-assisted fact fluency tool. This study was conducted on about 216 3rd and 4th grade students who were at risk for math difficulties. The study lasted for 15 weeks, and after the study period had ended, the students who participated in the study exhibited significant progress. By integrating fact fluency computer-based tools early in elementary school age students, we are able to expose our students to these skills and ensure they are prepared once they reach 4th and 5th grade. A researcher, Burns, also conducted an extensive study on the effects of computer-delivered math fact intervention for 3rd and 4th grade. The study was conducted on 216 3rd and 4th grade students who were at risk for math difficulties. The intervention used a computer software program to practice math facts on average of 3 times per week for 18 to 15 weeks. After the 15 weeks, the data indicated that students who participated in the intervention exhibited larger gains on their math scores than those who didn't in the control group. In a different study also conducted by the researcher Burns, he found that computer-based practice interventions led to better retention when it came to computational fluency than did the conceptual intervention or a control condition. The data obtained from the study also suggested that computer-based practice interventions may be more effective for increasing computational skills. Another study found that digital-based interventions are an effective instructional technique for increasing fact fluency, with students demonstrating mathematical difficulties. The study participants were elementary age studies with difficulties in math. These extensive studies support my argument on the importance of implementing a computer-based fact fluency tool in the early years of children and how the benefit it can provide to students in their academic careers. My project objectives are on the screen right here. The overall goal for this project was to provide teachers with proper trainings and professional learning opportunities so they can integrate a fact fluency tool, in this case Extra Math, into their daily teaching that reinforces fact fluency in the early stages of elementary school. This will better prepare students when they enter 4th and 5th grade because they will already have a strong fact fluency foundation. These were some of the project objectives. The first one is 80% of teachers in grades 3 to 5th will attend professional learning trainings on extra math during their planning time. So in order for teachers to be able to integrate a tool, they have to first know how to use it and then get trainings on it. So my goal is to have 80% of teachers get those trainings before asking them to implement something they're not familiar with. My second objective is 80% of teachers in 3rd grade will allow their students to use extra math in one of their center rotations to enhance fact fluency. I have found that the easiest way is to incorporate computerized tools into a center. 80% of teachers in 3rd grade will allow their students to use extra math every day for 15 to 20 minutes to strengthen their math fact skills. The fourth one is teachers will also involve 80% of the families in this learning by showing the students weekly progress with their parents. By the end of 2001-2002 school year, 80% of 3rd grade students will know their math facts and will be able to recall their multiplication facts fluently. The last one is 80% of 4th grade and 5th grade teachers will integrate extra math as they see needed. I plan to evaluate the success of the capstone by the ability of 3rd grade students being able to record their math facts fluently. I will gather data from the math inventory and also from a math software called Imagine Facts. I plan to pull data from these 2 applications to conduct my evaluation and determine if students made progress while using the extra math tool. I really enjoyed designing, implementing, evaluating a solution to meet this need. I truly believe that this experience has benefited me as a future instructional designer. This experience overall was very eye-opening and a very rewarding experience. Here are some of my references and my copyright acknowledgments. Thank you all so much for coming to view my capstone video. Hope you all have a great day.